Tigers are masters of the land, but in the water, mugger crocodiles can turn the tables. The coast seems clear, but Amba knows that giant muggers can hide in the shallowest of water. The pondweed blooms in the heat, drawing dozens of sambar deer. Amba was right. The lake is a paradise for her prey. It's an unbearable dilemma. That settles it. She'll wait for the deer to come out. Or maybe grab one before it reaches the water. She keeps going. It's so tempting to go deeper, but her experience holds her back. Amba could have made a grave error. A valuable lesson for the cubs.